Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng kasama natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Thank you for coming with us to the show. Exciting po, mainit po ang ating mga panauhin ngayong hapon. At sila'y may napakagandang show. Ngayong pag-uusapan ho namin yan. The day after tomorrow. Tama ba ako? We'll talk about it. Naitay, ipapasok na sila. Mitch Valdez, Fed de los Reyes.
Oh my God!
Uminahon ka.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you
Thank you
boy.
very much.
Matutulog ka na yata.
Hindi. Ayoko na makita yung legs ko na kanya.
Okay. Pag-usapan natin ang inyong show.
Yes.
Ito yung magaganap the day after tomorrow. That's
July
July 26.
26, Saturday at Trino Green Hills.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine!
No canceling.
Yes.
No canceling.
Babagyo ng katatawanan.
Totoo yun. Walang cancellation po ito.
Wala.
Naalala ko si, there was this big concert of Miss Diana Ross at the Central Park. Naalala niyo yun? Yung hinihila siya palabas habang bumabagyo.
Tapos nag-show siya bumabagyo.
No rain, no storm.
Wala.
Diba?
Yun.
Quiet. Boy is talking.
Okay.
Ano
Uy,
ang show
kumamugulo.
ninyo and what is it about? Talk about it.
The title of our show is Sex and the Seniors.
Tabi-tabi po sa mga bata. Nanay, tatay, ay gabayan ang mga bata. Go ahead. Tungkol saan ito?
Bakit muna Sex and the Seniors?
Kasi naman po, just because there is that word sex, hindi po nila tinatapat sa seniors. Kami pong mga seniors, hindi naman kailangan yung talagang sex. Kasi pag senior ka na, sexy ka pa rin.
Oo. At sabi niyo sa akin kanina, napaka-wholesome po ng palabas na ito. Ang title lamang po ang Mapangahas.
Do you know where we got that title, boy? Floyd Quintos.
Oh.
Yes. I was telling Fe, kayong dalawa, mga little publicists ng Manila Metropolitan Theater when I was doing a
Without
play
you knowing
there.
it, I was probably publicist for most of your shows. I did Mitch's all her shows.
All
My
free.
goodness.
Oo, totoo yun.
Boy, nung panahon ng ng Music and Magic.
Yes.
Ako yung naglilibot sa Loton, lahat ng mga press releases
So,
ninyo.
before-
Nagtatype kami ni Floyd ng mga
Yes.
But
press
you know,
releases.
really, Floyd, when he learned that ang magsho-show kami ni Mitch, ang sinabi niya kagad na title ay
Sex and the Seniors.
But please, ladies and gentlemen, when you say sex, it's not a physical act because seniors are sexy.
Di ba?
Hindi lang yun.
Hindi, para malaman natin, I mean, can you
What
do
is the
a
show?
number from the show? I mean, kapiraso lang.
Sige.
Sige
Ready ba
nga.
tayo?
Sige.
Alam mo, kumakanta kami ng Bruno Mars.
Wow! That's July 26, Teatrino, Green Hills.
We are going to be with AMP7. Mel Villena is our musical
The
director.
one and the
one
only.
Ay,
and
grabe
only.
yun.
Live
Tuwa-tuwa
band ho
siya.
kami, live.
Big band.
It's a comedy cabaret and it's
Ganda.
gonna be talking about aging and sisterhood
And sex.
motherhood
And sex.
and Robin Hood ko talaga.
And the lack of sex.
And the lack of sex too. Yes, it's true because
Nakakatuwa lang. Alam mo, pag nami-mention Mel Villena, for example, kaano na kayo katagal magkasama?
Si
Champoy, 1983.
I know.
My gosh.
Diba?
He was a little...
Legendary Mel Villena.
He's still little.
This is my first time, actually.
You're joking.
I'm not joking. It's my first time to work with Mel because I've always worked with the late Boji Dasig in the States and siya yung aking Mel Villena pero parang ang galing ni Mel.
Oo, magaling
Sobra.
ito. Usapang 80s nga tayo.
Uy, 70s kayo.
Itawid na natin sa 80s. Itawid na
Fast forward.
Fast forward.
Yeah, but even Music and Magic started late 70s.
1979,
Naalala
yes.
ko yun. But tawid tayo sa 80s. Usapang 80s. Fashion, music, dance. What was it like?
Oh, wow. Una, blue ang eyeshadow mo, todo-todo.
Diba?
Lahat ng, tsaka afro, and the fashion was fun. Cindy Lauper ako noon. Ginagawa ko ano ka?
Ako, nung 70s kasi, I led a double life, no? I was musical theater performer at saka rocker sa mga banda. Pagkatapos may TV shows ako sa ano. But nung 80s, binago ko yung go with the change, nag-lounge acts ako, like sina Tessie Tomas, sina Nanette Inventor.
Right.
Hindi ko naman alam na pag nag-lounge act ka, kailangan bihis ka. So, isang gig lang, pupunta ka doon, 3 ang maleta mo kasi yung isa accessories, yung isa mga sapatos, yung isa mga iba-ibang damit.
Marami.
Pagkatapos, kailangan magsalon ka pa muna. So, lahat ng paayos, ganyan-ganyan. Tiniis ko yun ng buong 70s. 80s. Nung naging 90s, sabi ko, ayoko na. Tinanggal ko lahat yan. I went back to this look.
Okay.
Nakalashes ka pa rin.
Oh, yun naman.
Pero
kasi
totoo ba yung how fierce was that competition? Nanette, Teresita, kayo, was there competition?
I
Hindi, kasi first of all, Tessie and I were good friends in Champoy.
Right.
I think we were complimenting each other naman. And, you know,
Tapos si Nanette, kasama ko sa Tit for Tat. So,
Tama.
hindi kami pwede mag-compete, nagtutulungan, kasi 3 lang kami noon eh. 3 lang kami.
I remember.
Yeah, di ba?
Yes.
Music and Magic. Of
Yes.
course, I'm sorry, Ko.
Socorro. Kula Desma and the Music and Magic.
Magagalit
Yes.
yan. Si Ko,
Yes.
diba? Eva was there.
Yes,
Si Angeli
Angeli.
po, ang
And then
napakagandang
Vicky.
may bahay ni Gary Valenciano.
Mrs.
Yes.
Gary
Okay.
Valenciano.
So you sila Jet at sila Butch,
Butch
Elizalde,
Elizalde, Bobby Tylo,
Bobby
Nono
Tylo,
Mendoza, Toto,
lahat
late
yun.
Toto Hentica,
How
yes.
was that? Kumusta yun?
We were
Kumusta
like,
si Angeli? Kumusta si Ku?
gusto mo talaga ng katotohanan? No,
Gusto namin ang katotohanan.
we were a family. Pero kung may ibang pangalan ng Music and Magic, siguro Blood, Sweat, and Tears ang pangalan.
Bakit blood?
Blood ka, nag-aaway din kami, no?
Sino ang madalas mong kaaway?
Ay, si Ku. Ay! Hindi, actually, ang totoo, ang nag-aaway, ako, si Angeli.
Okay.
Because si Angeli,
Pero bumili siyang tickets.
Ngayon?
At saka tumulong siya sa technicals kay what's his name?
Jaime Godinez.
Jaime
but
Godinez.
she's always willing to help.
No.
Yes.
Alam mo
But
naman. Oo.
Music and Magic talaga, I would always say nga, na we were a family. We are a family. And so, pag may pamilya, may
And you
awayan.
still are.
And we still are, and forever and will be.
But you did a movie
But
together.
With,
Continue that. But with?
No,
but...
With Cool,
With Ku?
With Ku.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, si Ku has always been our mother hen. She's really...
Okay.
She's really the
Nung
dominant.
nag-solo si Ku, si Ku Ledesma, hindi, I mean, how was that feeling?
We knew it was coming because
You knew it was coming.
Music and Magic's rise was kind of phenomenal. After 6 months, si Ku, kaagad eh. Kasi yung concept naman is like Ku Ledesma and the Music and Magic talaga. Siya yung lead singer, backup. I was a backup singer, kami ni Angeli and Eva. So talagang pag may soloista, parang Diana Ross and the Supremes.
Sinong pinakamaganda sa inyong apat?
Ako. Ang maganda? Iba-iba ang beauty namin.
Hindi, yung totoo lang. I mean...
Siyempre sasabihin ko ako. Pero
dapat.
sinabi nila, kinuha lang nila ako dahil sa legs ko eh.
You did a movie together.
Yes,
did?
pero gusto ko lang sa i-add doon, Boy. That's why, because of her backup experience and Ku as the vocalist, we have a spoof on that also in the show. Yes! Manood po kayo.
Okay.
It's a very violent medley.
Okay. So,
No, it's a treat.
ano yung sabi mo? We
Hindi,
did a
yung Oro
movie
Plata
together.
Mata.
Oro, plata, mata.
Di ba tinawagan ni Peki gave you the name Maya? Tama?
Oo. I think he was hallucinating at that time. No, because
We're talking about Peki Galiaga po.
Peke Galiaga, when he had a management house, ako yung first talent, ako yung experiment, nung 70s, pinasok po niya, nag-audition po ako doon sa Super Laugh-Ins, nakuha naman ako. Pero sabi niya, sinabi daw ng network na parang mahihirapan po ako sumikat kasi ang pangalan ko, Mitch Valdez. At that time, hindi masyadong uso yung mga Caucasian looking, mga tisay, di ba? Yung mga tisoy at tisay nun, sila yung bandido, sila yung villain. Look at Eddie Garcia, yung mga ganon-ganon. So, change of name, Maya. Sabi ko, hindi ba Avon yun? And then, hindi, Aztec Princess. The Aztec Princess ako bigla. Pero nung 80s, nung nag-launch na ako,
binalik mo?
Binalik ko. Kasi kailangan, true ka sa sarili mo, sincere ka sa audience mo. Ang hirap ng fake name, sa totoo lang, boy.
Pero nag-bold ka sa Oro Plata Mapa.
Oo, si Peke rin may kasalanan noon. Kasi hinahangaan ko siya bilang isang, nag-umpisa silang dalawa ni Leo Martinez sa Lasal, Taft. Sila yung drama coaches.
Okay.
So, after that, we became, of course, very close friends.
Yung eksena, paano mo nagawa yun?
Sinabi
sa may
ni
waterfalls,
Peke,
naalala ko yun.
if the roles calls for it. No, because already he told me that I would be bare-breasted. But don't worry, because there are rapids and the water
walang
will
makikita.
cover. Yeah. Pagtingin namin ganun sa Devil, walang rapids, Peke.
Oo.
So, still yung water. So anyway, kasi daw, what do you call this? Progressive doktora daw ako. Hindi lang yung doktora noon ng mga nagbabating sweet. Yun. So ayun, tinanggal ko po yung aking ibabaw. At nakita na ng buong madla.
How bold did you go?
Wala. I wanted to be bold, but Joel Torre in that scene, ayaw niya ako.
Ayaw.
Yun yung ano.
Not too late, Fe.
My role was, I was a maid. I was a maid in Oro Plata Mapa. And, gusto ko si Joel, tinakas ko si Joel, gusto ko sana makipag-something sa kanya, pero mas gusto niyang tingnan ng mga stars.
Yeah, pero
so, wala. At saka hindi ako kinausap ni Peke na mag-bear. Kasi wala akong ibe-bear.
Ang sarap
Saan ka
lamang.
nakakita ng comedian na nag-bold?
Yeah.
Ikaw?
Yeah.
Oo. Di ba? Meron bang ganon?
Ala. Ang sarap lamang alalahanin that you two
Gagawin
were
mo ba uli?
a
Pinagyabang ko
part
eh, no?
of one of the greatest films in Philippine cinema.
Yes.
Diba?
I'm so
Yun
proud
lamang
of
yun.
that movie.
Let's do fast talk.
Okay. Excited ako dito.
Mitch, muna.
Si Mitch muna.
Mitch o Maya?
Mitch!
Sexy, witty.
Witty!
Sexy, senior.
Senior!
Hot flushes, hot shower.
Hot shower!
Makipag-date o magbasa ng libro?
Magbasa ng libro?
Oo hindi. Nagka-boyfriend ng artista.
Oo naman.
Mitch, oo o hindi. May binasted na actor.
Oo.
Pwede na o pwede, hindi na, hindi pa. Mag-asawa.
Ayaw.
Pwede pa o hindi na. Magpa-sexy sa pelikula.
Hindi na.
Biggest misconception about Mitch Valdez.
Maingay.
Oo nga, ang tahitahimik mo naman. Fe, Pilipinas, Amerika.
Both.
Walang kilay, walang lipstick.
Walang lipstick.
Music o magic?
Ano?
Music o magic?
Both.
Discount card o green card?
Discount card.
Always funny, always sexy.
Both.
Pinaka-na-miss mo sa Pilipinas?
Asawa ko.
Pinaka-hindi mo na
hindi pala.
about the Philippines.
Baligtad pala. Ang na-miss ko sa Pilipinas, Philippine television.
Pinaka-hindi mo na-miss sa Pilipinas?
Intriga.
Greatest Pinoy comedian?
Sige na nga, ikaw na nga, Mitch.
Okay, thank you, ha?
Greatest Pinoy singer?
Sige na nga, si Kula Desma.
One thing you are most proud of?
Myself.
Sa inyong dalawa, sino ang mas maingay? Sino ang mas maganda? Sino ang mas mataray?
Ay! Bait ako
Mas chismosa?
Uy!
Mas mayaman?
Ha? Uy!
May asawa to eh.
Mas asim. May asim pa rin.
Ay, ako!
Oy, lights on or lights off?
Ay, gusto ko lights off para we can turn on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Ha?
Happiness or chocolates?
Ay, happiness.
Ha? Happiness!
Best time for happiness.
Every day.
Complete the sentence. As a senior, I am...
Sexy.
I am beautiful.
Diba?
Palaban, ano?
Oo.
Please, alam niyo naman kami.
Nai-stress ako, boy.
At this point in your life, gaano kahalaga ang lalaki sa inyong konsepto lang naman ng kaligayahan? Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. ang gwapo ng lalaking yun, ha? Yung may necklace, parang galing Saudi Arabia. Yung type ko, eh.
Ay, hindi ako mahilig sa mga necklace.
Ayoko.
Ayaw mo?
At saka ayoko yung maraming balahibo.
Mukhang,
Talaga?
parang hindi naliligo.
Talaga?
Ay, ang ganda ng kamay, pero mukhang malinis ang kamay.
Gusto ko malinis ang paa.
Talaga?
Oo, may fetish ako sa paa. Kasi kung kahit anong gwapo mo, kung pangit ang paa mo, hindi kita
look at
gusto.
the lips.
Talaga? Yung lips, parang ang laki-laki naman yata.
Eh, mas okay na malaki.
Tat mo?
Hindi ko masyado, oo. Medyo natatakot.
Ay, hindi maganda yung
Pero, sandali, ikaw ang tinitingnan. Ba't ikaw?
May asawa na ako.
Ako parang banlag.
Parang pumupunta ngayon ang tingin sa'yo.
Sa akin naman.
Oo, sa'yo na.
Hindi, sa'yo yata, boy. Ikaw ang
Maraming salamat. You cannot not watch the show. That's July 26. Anong oras ito mag-umpisa? Please,
8
please.
p.m. 8 p.m.
Upo muna tayo. Papatuloy natin ang ating kwentuhan. 8 o'clock in the evening.
Yes.
Teatrino po ito sa Green Hills.
Green Hills.
You know, we start on time kasi I believe that hindi pwede yung to keep the audience waiting. Yes.
That's true.
So if you're late, pasensya na po, we cannot wait for you. Although, if it floods, then we will wait for you.
Magbigay naman tayo ng konting
Konti,
konsiderasyon.
na 8:05.
8:15 naman.
Okay. Gaano kahalaga ang lalaki sa kaligayahan?
Sa akin?
Yes, sa iyo.
Mahalaga.
Mahalaga.
Mahalaga, lalo-lalo na ang asawa ko, syempre, mahalaga siya.
Mabait
Pero
yung asawa niya.
pauwi
She's
siya, no?
fortunate.
Is he here or is he coming
No,
home?
he is in America. But
Allows her to do this.
I
ganda.
know, he's so supportive. Sobrang suporta ng asawa ko dito talaga. Gusto kong gawin ngayong senior na ako.
And
Because
he allows her to do shows across the country in the US of A.
Ganda.
He retired na kasi he retired and I said, Han, pwede.
Oo.
Pilipinas naman ako. Kasi,
Yeah.
I really miss
Okay, what do you think of men, Mitch?
What do I think of men?
Now.
Now, it's the same as I thought before.
Talaga? Ano siya?
Before, I had, like any girl, romantic perception sa mga lalaki na yung pang tweetums, pang sunsets, pang strolling in the beach, lahat nung nabasa mong mali.
Lahat yun.
Lahat. Mga kaibigan, pagkatapos nyo maglakad sa beach, ano na ang mangyayari?
So what do you think of men?
What do I think of men? I discovered na mas gusto kong mag-isa.
Oo.
Talaga?
Mas restful, mas peaceful. Kasi introvert nga ako, boy. Nahihirapan ako na after a hard day's work, pag uwi ko, meron akong aasikasuhin, aalalayan, etc.
Pero ano mo, kahit may asawa ka naman, hanggang defensive no? But yeah, I value marriage. And
yun naman.
I think we're very unique.
Ibang class. Alam mo, magkaiba kami ni Mitch. Si Mitch talaga took a different path. She is fiercely single.
And that
I
makes you
chose
guys
family.
very interesting kasi you're coming from very different
Two
places.
different
Yeah.
Ganda.
Lola ako, nanay ako.
But both are valid.
Yeah, but we're sharing the same stage.
Alam mo
on
naman
July
yung mga
26.
mga pamilya, bakit ka walang asawa? Are you gay? Yung mga ganon. It's time you had children. Who will take care of you when you're old? I'm not gonna have children just to take care of me when I'm old. Tawawa naman yung mga anak ninyo, mga kaibigan. Huwag niyo naman i-expect na yung mga anak ninyo, ibaburden nyo pa ng kanilang buhay.
I
Pag
hear you,
old
Mitch.
na kayo, you know.
Pero mga anak, pero kung gusto niyo ako alagaan niyo ako.
Hindi.
Huwag niyo ako ilagay sa care home.
Magtrabaho po kayo so you have your own means para hindi kayo nakasandal sa mga anak nyo. Nanermon ako. Ano ba yan? Pasensya na po.
Alam mo, kumanta na lang kayong dalawa. Sige nga.
What do I think of men? Tapos na?
Yeah.
Sige,
Tapos
tama
na.
na.
Ayaw mo na naman ng
Everything that is said about
like
them,
men.
Hindi ganito.
Some of my best friends are men. Actually, most of my best friends
Are men. That's true.
I get all my barkada, like our sponsor, JT's, Joel Torre. I love him.
Totoo. Mel Villena.
Mel Villena, Ronnie Lazaro.
Totoo
all
yun.
these
Well,
people.
we love men.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat. That's July 26, the day after tomorrow, Sabado.
Sabado.
Teatrino.
Ano yun?
Okay.
Sabado.
Watch the show.
8 p.m. Sex and the
Okay.
Seniors.
Naitay, Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin sa inyong mga tahanan at puso araw-araw. Be kind, make your nanay proud, and say thank you.
Thank you.
And do one good thing a day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now. God bless.